Number 20. Feminist Criminology. A framework that examine how gender inequality and, and particularly influence criminal behavior and the criminal justice system. Number 21. Felony. A serious crime typically punishable by, by imprisonment for more than 1 year or death. Number 22. Misdemeanor. A less serious crime punishable by imprisonment for less than 1 year or a fine. 23. White collar crime. Non-violent crimes committed by individuals often in business of professional settings, typically involving deceit or breach of trust. 24. Blue collar crimes. Conventional crimes typically involving violence or that often committed in lower socioeconomic context. 25. Property crime. Crime that involve the theft of destruction of property such as burglary, larceny, and vandalism. Number 26. Violent crime. Crimes that involve the issue of force or the threat of focus agents other including murder, assault, and robbery. Cybercrime. Criminal activity that 27. Cybercrime. Criminal activity that involve computer of the internet such as hacking, online fraud, and identity theft. 28. Drug crime. Offenses related to the illegal production, distribution, and possession of controlled substance. 29. Hate crime. Criminal act motivated by base of prejudice against a person's race, religion, nationality, sexual orientation, or other characteristic. 30. Juvenile delinquency. Criminal behavior committed by individual under the age of 18. 31. Arrest. The legal act of detaining a person suspect of committing a crime. 32. Booking. The process of officially recorded an individual's arrest of personal information into the police system. 33. Prosecution. The legal process of charging of prosecuting individuals as a cause of committing crimes. 34. Defense. Legal representation and strategies employed to challenge the change and evidence presented by the prosecution. 35. Plea bargain. An agreement in which a defendant plead guilty to a lesser change in exchange for a reducted sentence or other con, concessions. 36. Trial, the legal process where evidence is presented to determine the guilt or innocence of a defendant. 37. Sentencing, the determination of a punishment or penalty for convicted criminals, which may include imprisonment, fine of community service. 38. Appeal, a legal process where a higher can't review the decision of a lower court to ensure that it was fair and lawful.